From this equation, find out the a and b value. First we can write, this is the 48, so we can write this, the 4 into 4 into 3, we can write this, and this is, we can write the 5 into 5 into 3, this is, we can write, and this is the 4 square is this, and this is the a plus b root 3, and now this is, we can write, this is the out, so this is the root 3, and this is the, there is the out from the root, this, and this is the 4 a plus b root 3, and now this is the 4 is here, and there is the 4 root 3 and 5 root 3, so there is the minus root 3, and this is the a plus b root 3. So similarly we can write, this is the a is, and root 3 is, this is, so a is equal to, we can write the 4, and this is the plus b, and there is the minus, so there is the b is equal to the minus 1, we can write this,